Hi guys, this is Yvonne, that's George. So today we wake up, we had a great day, we were out in the sun, now we feel drunk by the sun, and we have this amazing fruit here. And this fruit is called Sweet Sop, otherwise known as sugar apple, sugar pineapple, or custard apple. And I want George to try it out because he's from America and he never seen a fruit like this before. I'm pretty sure a lot of folks never had. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to give George some energy so we can go to the Rick's Cafe later and tear it up. So I just want him to know the benefit of this fruit. And this fruit is really mind-blowing. So George, you want to break it open and tell them what it tastes like. And so far, I just want to let everybody know that this fruit is great for a woman who is trying to get pregnant. That's right, pregnant woman. The seed that you see on the inside can be blended up with a coconut oil and put into your hair for breakage, for prematured gray. You like it? It's real good.
Tastes like banana.
Yeah, it promotes health. It has a lot of potassium in there. Promotes a healthy heart. You know, I kind of have my little notes here. I don't want to forget anything. It's great for your skin. It also slows down the aging process. So it's good for somebody who is going to turn 60
That would be me.
in 4 more days. And I'm so proud of him because he looks great. It's also good for your skin. And this part right here, the middle inset, show you what the fruit look like. Inside it has a middle part here, and this middle part, you could give it to kids who wet bed for weak bladder. So that's also good for them. But we can't find this in America, but it's very good. So what the seed look like? It's pretty hard on the outside, but it can be broken down.
Tastes
You
a
know,
little bit like pineapple too.
It tastes like pineapple and custard. You know, it's white, milky. Here, George, I want some too because I want to slow down my process and get some energy. Yep. Has a lot of vitamin B. You know, it regulates your sugar level.
And this tastes sugary on the outside too.
Very sugary, yeah. They call it sugar apple. Some cultures call sugar apple, custard apple, sweet sop. And it's also the family to another fruit called sour sop, which is an excellent source to slow down any form of cancer that's boiling up inside of you. And this is like the sister to that fruit. I'm going to find that fruit now and introduce it to George sooner than later. You know, it promotes healthy bones and it increases your bone density. So, which is excellent. And it also has collagen in there for your skin.
You're going to eat the outer shell too.
Yes. The outer shell can be used to rub on your skin. Yeah, good for acne. I just want to share. Excuse the way we look, but we're just chilling. You know, we're on our vacation and we're in Jamaica. That's right, this is where you can find this fruit, Jamaica. I'm gonna sign off now because I'm gonna kill it too. Peace out.